Sanoros.
Asante Kotoko AGOKANSIE brave do. Some dia AGOKANSIE enzo bro me dinati nyameba Bernard Padibotwe yan shasi en fide nyamnya adumna tontom ya Ghana Premier League match day 2020 me say Super Clash over Sports Stadium 5 p.m. kwesiada na match no ebeto dwana dodo na kasesi akotokofo ni coach asofo for me bom na so mo bom no embre ene nkrabia na betwe no nam so am head coach Adom asofo ke ma still didi Dramani e dia todwa say ya players and as a team elusu matcha na ye de subo na ebo coaches na so elusu matcha and some de subo no ebo coaches no
Not responsible for outcomes of games, but many times they are foreseen to be being so responsible for outcomes of games. But we are many times judged by results in the outcomes of matches, which is very unfortunate. But that's how it is. And we are very much responsible for the way our teams play and for the way our teams will perform and the way they will behave. But the outcome sometimes is very difficult to control because you don't control the decision the player makes. You control the chemistry of the team and other aspects, the direction and everything. But the decisions the players make on the pitch on that moment, that is why I said we want to improve in key moments of the game, the decisions we make. That is very key. Coaches don't control that. You can't control when he has to pass the ball, when he has to head the ball, when he has to shoot, when he has to cross. You can't control that one. It comes in a split second. But you control the cues and then the models that you put in place for players to improve in that area. But sometimes, many times, coaches are rather judged by results of outcomes of games. But they are not supposed to be responsible for that.
Right, and that's why Ghana Premier League one him say nano kwesiada etwemu ana aduana ehye krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko MTN FA Cup penalties no mdi hiom film zisi omo ko TNA Park community media league leaders na de kopem so eno ana so ma media head coach Ibrahim Tanko enso they told you say against aduana na a big game na so mebom homodin yi so metimi di nkunim se be ya kruwa no omo se betimi aka.
Both teams are almost same. We also give people headache in their away matches, and like I said, both teams are good in form. We all won our MTN FA Cup through penalties. No, I mean, we have our game plan. We watch them. We know how they are going to play. So definitely, we are going to, have to do more so that we'll keep the points here. Performance, it's not about the individuals. The midfielders alone cannot win the game. We need all the departments. Like you said, we have all of our players on board. So I hope that you get the best 11 so that they will make us proud. The league is getting to an end, so definitely we started together. We hope that they will keep on supporting us. It's a Friday, 4:30. I think most of the people have closed work, so we hope that we'll get more numbers so that the players will also have confidence to get our points here.
Coach, congrats.
And every mama kwane area AGOKANSIE no ensemesi medina dinyame ba Bernard Padibotwe brakweku etwaso.